how to fix your notes feature not showing or working on your Instagram account. You want to first go ahead and go into your Google Play Store or your iPhone App Store, and you're going to look for Instagram. And basically, you want to make sure that your Instagram is completely updated to the latest version. So what you can do is just simply uninstall and then reinstall the Instagram app. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on open. What you can also do is click on the three bars on the top right hand corner, and at the very bottom you should find an option that says update messaging. If you click on that, then your messaging is going to update to the latest version, and then it's going to possibly give you the notes feature from there as well. So simply once you've done all that, you want to go back and check if you have your notes. If you refresh it and you still don't have the notes, what you want to do is go ahead and go to your profile page and then click on the three bars and then click on settings and privacy. From here, you're going to need to actually go to the help section, click on report your problem or problem without shaking, include and continue, and then just tell Instagram this right here. Hey Instagram, please give me the notes feature. I updated my app, but I still don't have it. Thanks. You can also apply a screenshot if you want to, and then simply click on the send button just like that. And then with about a day or two, you can actually get your notes feature. So